Construction machines come in all shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific job that helps build, dig, lift, or move materials. From towering cranes to powerful excavators, these machines are the backbone of construction sites around the world. In the next 20 minutes, we are going to break down every major construction machine, explaining what they do, how they work, and why they are essential. Whether you're looking at a bulldozer for pushing dirt, a grader smoothing roads, or a concrete mixer preparing foundations, every piece of equipment plays a role in shaping cities, highways, and infrastructure. Earth movers, the powerhouses of construction. When it comes to construction, one of the biggest challenges is dealing with the sheer volume of earth and rock that needs to be moved. Imagine trying to dig a foundation for a building or clear a path for a road using just shovels. It would take forever, but that is where earth movers come in. These machines are the muscle behind the construction industry, designed to tackle jobs that would otherwise be impossible or take far too long. Each one has a unique role, but together they handle the heavy lifting of shaping the landscape for our cities, highways, and infrastructure. Excavators are a great example of what these machines can do. They're like the Swiss Army knives of a construction site, digging, lifting, hammering, and even acting as cranes when needed. Their heavy steel buckets are incredibly powerful, capable of moving as much dirt in a single scoop as a person could dig in an entire day. Beyond digging, they're also used for demolition, moving heavy materials, and even breaking up rocks with specialized attachments. Whether it's a small trench or a massive excavation for a dam, excavators are up to the task. Skid steers might look small compared to other earth movers, but they pack a punch when it comes to versatility. These compact machines are perfect for tight spaces where bigger equipment can't fit. With their interchangeable attachments, they can switch from digging to drilling to lifting in no time. Need to clear snow, dig a hole, or even drill a post? A skid steer can do it all without taking up too much room on the job site. Loaders are built for carrying soil and rocks across short distances. They're the go-to machines when materials need to be moved quickly within a construction site. Most loaders are articulated in the middle, which means they can turn sharply and navigate tight spaces. With their large front buckets, they're perfect for lifting and dumping heavy loads efficiently. While they're not meant for long-distance hauling, they are indispensable for transporting materials from point A to point B on a site. When materials need to travel further, dump trucks take over. These machines are built to carry heavy loads of soil, gravel, or debris with ease. The key feature is their hydraulic system, which lifts the truck bed to dump the load exactly where it's needed. Articulated dump trucks are designed for off-road conditions, making them perfect for rugged terrain where other vehicles would struggle. Whether it's a construction site or a mining operation, dump trucks are reliable workhorses for moving large volumes of material. For projects like highways or dams that require a lot of soil to be moved efficiently, scrapers come into play. These machines combine digging and hauling into one process. A massive blade scrapes the soil directly into a hopper, which is then transported and dumped where it is needed. They're particularly useful for creating large embankments or leveling land on a massive scale. By cutting out the need for separate digging and hauling equipment, scrapers save time and effort on big projects. Bulldozers are specialists in ground-level work. With their tank-like tracks and powerful front blades, they are designed to push, spread, and level material with precision. They may not be able to move dirt over long distances, but they excel at shaping the ground to create a flat surface for roads, buildings, and other structures. Whether it is clearing debris, leveling a foundation, or spreading gravel, bulldozers get the job done with brute force and efficiency. Specialized earthworking machines. When it comes to digging, leveling, and compacting, specialized machines take center stage. These are the tools designed for jobs that require precision and efficiency, often on a massive scale. They make tasks that would take days or weeks by hand feel effortless. Whether it's laying a pipeline, preparing a roadbed, or compacting soil, each machine plays a critical role in the construction process.
Hey, I'm popping in really quick. My name is William. I run the channel here at Extreme Force. And I also run a premium merino wool sock brand for trade workers called Camel City Mill. Now, we offer 3 lengths. These socks are perfect. We have the boot cut, the crew, and the ankle. These socks are perfect if you struggle with sweaty feet, if you're on your feet for 12, 14 hours a day, if you work in the trades, anything where any hard work is necessary, then you need our socks. And there are 3 main reasons why. Reason number 1 is if you struggle with sweaty, stinky feet, using a merino wool sock, that's gonna help you tremendously. Number 2, we don't use any merino wool. We use a special proprietary yarn called Ironside merino wool. The way we kind of spin that together, it makes our socks twice as durable compared to regular merino wool. Here's an example where I'm picking up a 15-pound kettlebell with a single thread of our Ironside merino wool. Not only that, but we also do double-plated nylon fortification in the toe and in the heel. This makes our socks so durable that we offer a 10-year durability guarantee. So that means if you get a hole in your socks within the first 10 years, no joke, you can send them back to us. We'll give you a brand new pair completely free. The third thing you're gonna love about these socks is that they are 100% USA made. So our factory is in North Carolina, the wool's in North Carolina. We're a North Carolina company. We're really proud about that. North Carolina is the hosiery sock capital of the United States. We're right there, we're epicenter. So if you like American-made products, if you like an American-made pair of socks, it has a 10-year durability guarantee that will give you dry, comfortable feet, even if you're working a 14-hour shift in 100-degree weather. Make that feel like easy mode. If you want a pair of these socks right now, use the link down in the description below. We'll hook you up. Thank you again for watching Extreme Force. Now let's get back to the video.
Trenchers are the ultimate tool for digging long, narrow holes. If you have ever wondered how underground utilities like water pipes or fiber optic cables get installed, trenchers are the machines responsible. Equipped with tooth chains that look like an oversized chainsaw, they tear through the earth with incredible speed and accuracy. Whether it's a small trench for a backyard project or a massive pipeline installation, trenchers are built to create clean, precise channels. Graders are all about creating smooth, even surfaces. These machines are a staple in road construction, where precision is everything. Their long wheelbase and adjustable blades make them perfect for leveling and shaping soil or gravel to an exact grade. It's not just about making things look nice. Graders ensure a stable, even foundation for pavement and other materials to come. Without them, roads would be bumpy, uneven, and prone to wear and tear. Roller compactors bring everything together by ensuring that soil, asphalt, or other materials are firmly packed into place. Depending on the job, they come with different types of drums. Smooth drums are ideal for compacting asphalt or general soil, while padded or sheep's foot drums are designed for clay and silt. Many rollers also include a vibration feature which helps to settle the material even more effectively. Whether it's stabilizing the base of a road or packing down a fresh layer of asphalt, roller compactors are the machines that create the durability that we depend on every day. Paving and roadwork machines. Building a road is no small task. It's not just about laying down a flat surface. It's about creating something strong, durable, and perfectly level. That is where paving and roadwork machines come in. Each one is specialized for a specific part of the process, working together to turn a rough, uneven path into a finished roadway. Asphalt pavers are the machines that bring roads to life. These machines take hot asphalt mix and spread it evenly over the prepared surface. Guided by string lines or lasers for precise elevation, pavers ensure that the layer of asphalt is smooth, uniform, and ready for compaction. Without them, roads would be uneven, leading to quicker wear and tear. Watching an asphalt paver in action is like seeing an artist's work. Something is mesmerizing about how efficiently they create a perfect layer of road. Slip formers are the go-to machines for concrete roadwork. Instead of using forms to shape concrete structures like curbs, barriers, or entire roadways, slip formers work continuously. The mix is carefully controlled to flow smoothly, and the machine shapes the concrete as it moves, creating seamless structures that are stronger and more durable than batch-poured sections. Slip formers save time and produce a much higher quality finish. Asphalt mills or planers are the heavy hitters when it comes to road surfacing. Instead of tearing up an entire road, these machines grind off the top layer with precision, using a rotating drum equipped with cutting teeth. The material is then conveyed into a truck for recycling or disposal. This process not only prepares the surface for a fresh layer of asphalt, but also ensures that the road maintains its proper grade and drainage. Paving trains takes roadwork efficiency to the next level. Imagine a convoy of machines, each playing a critical role in the paving process. A dump truck delivers fresh asphalt to the paver, which lays it down smoothly. Right behind, rollers compact the asphalt to the required density. Workers monitor the entire process, ensuring that the road is uniform and durable. Paving trains are a well-oiled machine, literally and figuratively, turning raw materials into the roads that we drive on every day. Heavy lifting and material handling equipment. When you think about construction, heavy lifting is often at the heart of it. Moving massive materials like steel beams, concrete slabs, or even entire prefabricated structures isn't just a job for brute force. It is a job for machines that combine power with precision. Each piece of equipment is designed to handle specific challenges, and together they make the impossible look easy. Cranes are the undisputed giants of lifting. They come in all shapes and sizes, from all-terrain cranes that can drive right onto a site and get to work, to rough terrain cranes with oversized tires for challenging landscapes. Crawler cranes move on tracks and can handle some of the heaviest loads imaginable, while tower cranes dominate the skylines of urban construction projects, reaching incredible heights to lift materials exactly where they are needed. Each type of crane has its specialty, but they all share one purpose: lifting heavy loads safely and efficiently. Watching a crane in action, whether it's swinging steel beams into place or carefully positioning equipment, is like seeing a master at work. Telescopic handlers or telehandlers take lifting to a different level. They're like forklifts on steroids, with extendable booms that can deliver materials to hard-to-reach spots. Need to lift a pallet of bricks to the top floor of a building? A telehandler can do it with ease. Their versatility comes from the variety of attachments they can use, from buckets to winches, making them indispensable on job sites where flexibility is key. For situations where workers need to be lifted, boom and scissor lifts are the go-to machines. These platforms provide a safe and stable way to elevate people and tools to different heights. Boom lifts with their articulating arms can reach over obstacles, while scissor lifts extend vertically to give workers a secure surface to work from. Whether it's fixing a utility pole or painting a high wall, these machines make working at height much safer and more efficient than traditional ladders or scaffolding. Pipe layers are specialized machines designed for a very specific task: lifting and placing large pipes into trenches with incredible precision. It is fascinating to see them in action because the sheer size and weight of the pipes they handle would be unmanageable without this level of engineering. They're essential for large-scale projects like water systems, sewage lines, and gas pipelines, where accuracy and safety are paramount. Concrete-specific machines. Concrete is one of the most important materials in construction, and handling it requires specialized machines that are up to the task. Whether it's mixing, pumping, or finishing, these machines ensure that concrete work is efficient, precise, and built to last. Mixer trucks are a common sight on construction sites and highways. These rotating drums are often called cement trucks, though technically cement is just one ingredient in the mix. The beauty of these trucks is that they keep the concrete moving while on the way to the site, ensuring that it doesn't set before it's poured. Time is critical when working with concrete, and mixer trucks make it possible to deliver fresh batches exactly where they're needed. When the concrete needs to go somewhere a mixer truck can't reach, concrete pumps take over. These machines use high-pressure systems to push concrete through pipes to hard-to-access locations. With their massive overhead booms, they can pour concrete into high-rise buildings, deep foundations, or sprawling areas like bridges. The sheer force required to pump such a dense material is impressive, and it is what makes these machines so essential for modern construction. Once the concrete is in place, finishing it to a smooth, polished surface is the next step. For large slabs, ride-on trowels take what would normally be a manual task and speed it up significantly. These machines are operated like miniature vehicles, gliding over the surface to ensure a perfect finish. Watching a ride-on trowel at work is like watching an artist put the final touches on a masterpiece. Shotcrete machines handle a completely different kind of concrete work. These machines spray concrete onto surfaces like slopes, tunnels, or even swimming pools. The sprayed method not only stabilizes surfaces, but also makes it easier to apply concrete in areas where traditional pouring wouldn't work. Whether it's reinforcing a cliff face or lining the walls of an underground tunnel, shotcrete machines make it possible to work in challenging environments. Foundation and underground machines. Building something that will stand the test of time starts with a strong foundation. When you're dealing with massive structures like skyscrapers, bridges, or dams, you can't just rely on surface-level soil to support the weight. That is where foundation machines come into play. These machines are designed to go deep, anchoring structures to stable ground or bedrock and ensuring they don't shift or settle over time. Pile drill rigs are among the most critical tools for this work. These towering machines drill deep into the earth to create holes for steel cages and concrete piles, which act like anchors for heavy structures. The depth of these piles depends on the project, but the goal is always the same: to reach a layer of soil or rock that can handle the weight. Watching a pile drill rig in action is mesmerizing. It's a combination of brute force and precision, digging deep into the ground with incredible accuracy. Pile drivers take things a step further. Instead of digging, they hammer piles directly into the ground. Whether the piles are made of wood, steel, or concrete, these machines repeatedly drive them to the necessary depth. The rhythmic pounding of a pile driver is a familiar sound on large construction sites, and it is a reminder of the raw power needed to stabilize massive structures. Directional drills are a whole different kind of machine, built for underground work without the mess of trenching. These machines create horizontal tunnels, perfect for installing pipelines, utilities, or communication lines. The beauty of a directional drill is that it can bore through the ground with minimal disruption to the surface. You might have seen them at work under roads or rivers where traditional digging isn't an option. They are precise, efficient, and an incredible example of how far technology has come in construction. Specialty and rare machines. Some construction tasks are so unique that they require equally unique machines. These specialty machines are engineered to handle specific challenges, often in extreme conditions or on complex projects. While they might not be as common as other equipment, their role in construction is just as important. Tunnel boring machines, or TBMs, are among the most impressive pieces of equipment you'll ever see. These giants are built to carve full-scale tunnels through mountains, beneath cities, or even under the sea. They are equipped with an array of cutting tools at the front, and as they chew through rock and soil, they simultaneously remove the material and install supports to keep the tunnel stable. Watching a TBM work is like seeing a factory on wheels, churning out progress as it moves forward. These machines are behind some of the world's most ambitious infrastructure projects, from subway systems to water tunnels. Soil nail rigs are another fascinating tool designed to stabilize steep slopes and prevent landslides. These machines drill horizontal shafts into the sides of hills or cliffs and then insert steel rods, known as soil nails, to reinforce the ground. It is an essential process for creating safe roadways, retaining walls, or building sites on sloped terrain. The combination of drilling and reinforcing helps hold everything in place, even in challenging environments. Wick drain machines handle an entirely different kind of problem: waterlogged soil. When construction needs to happen on clay-heavy ground, drainage becomes a major issue. Wick drains are long, vertical drains that are installed deep into the soil to help remove water faster. The machine pushes these drains into place in a grid-like pattern, speeding up the natural setting process of the soil. This means construction can start sooner, saving both time and money while ensuring a stable foundation. Smaller but essential job site tools. Not every piece of construction equipment is massive or flashy, but some of the smaller tools on a job site are just as important. They may not tower over a construction zone, but without them, progress would grind to a halt. These tools keep the site running smoothly, especially in challenging conditions or remote locations. Light towers are a perfect example. Construction doesn't always stop when the sun goes down, and for projects that run around the clock, light towers are a must. These portable systems are designed to illuminate large areas, making it safe and efficient to work at night or in underground spaces. Whether it's building a bridge after dark or maintaining a road tunnel, light towers ensure everyone can see clearly and work without interruptions. Their portability means they can be moved wherever they're needed most, providing flexible lighting in any environment. Air compressors and generators are the unsung heroes at job sites. Air compressors power a variety of tools, from jackhammers breaking through concrete to spray rigs for painting or sandblasting. They deliver the force needed to handle demanding tasks efficiently. Generators, on the other hand, provide electricity in remote locations where traditional power sources are not available. Whether it's running heavy machinery, charging tools, or keeping essential systems online, generators make it possible to keep working no matter how far off the grid the site might be. So what are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments down below.